Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my empty house tour. So this is a 90-year-old house, so keep that in mind when I show you the kitchen. Let me actually open up the blinds. Okay, so coming in, this is our living room. There's the front door. It looks like this is gonna be our dining room. I'm gonna have to replace those blinds, they're pretty old. And it's a 2-bedroom house. Perfect size for us. It's just my daughter and my husband. This will be Emma's room. They're pretty big. It's pretty big. I think it's bigger than the room she had at the apartment. That's her closet. Let's make sure the light is working. Okay, good. So glad PG&E was able to get this done all today. I did everything. Let's see. This will be our bedroom. I'm a little worried. We have a king-size bed. Our nightstands are probably not gonna fit, but that's our bedroom. And our closet is definitely smaller, but that's okay. And this is just right out of the 2 bedrooms. The bathroom needs a lot of work. So this is the sink. I don't know, that's okay. Some more space. This house is pretty old, but we like old homes. I'm gonna have to clean that tub really good. I don't think they did a good job cleaning. So we'll see what I can get done. Okay, going into the kitchen. Very small kitchen, like this is it, but we like it. I really like old homes. I'm just gonna have to clean that. Okay. I really like this part. If I can open it. I think it's really cute. Okay. So the refrigerator is actually over here. It's not too bad. Our pantry is actually really small. I'm gonna have to come up with some ideas. I love organizing, so. And we finally have a yard. I can't get this door open. I'm so excited about the yard. It's one of the reasons why we left the hotel, I'm sorry. The apartment was because we got a dog. Looks like they had a pool here. If anyone knows how to regrow the grass, please let me know. Got a nice decent yard. I'm gonna see if I can get her a swing set. But that's it. That's our home. Let me see if I can get you the front of the house. 1 second. Get you a better view of the entry. Okay guys, that's our little home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you. Bye.